Alright, 2024 Mazda CX30 cabin filter change. Open this up. There's gonna be two compartments. You want to go inside and see these little tabs right here. You feel the one that has a little tab. Just push it in, or no, push it your way, and you just gotta mess with it. I'm not sure which way it goes now. Push it in. So it's alright to get a little, you just play with it. You don't have to be gentle. You won't break it. This still looks clean. Look inside. You're gonna see two little tabs right here, top and bottom. Kind of want to press this one down, press this one up. That should have loosened it. If not, press the top one down again. And when it comes out, trying to flip it to see where they're. Ooh, look how dirty that is. Look how dirty. Trying to flip it and look at the airflow. Airflow should be somewhere. Airflow's pointing down. But man, look how dirty that is. The top. See? All that wouldn't went inside your car. So get the new one. Already know airflow's pointing down. Airflow's pointing down. Goes right back inside. Like that. Push it in. Clicks. Just, align the bottom first. Till it's really snug. Then there you go. All done. You just saved yourself like $60 from the dealer. These air filters go for about 15 bucks on Amazon. Normally I try to get a 3-pack. I try to change it every 10,000 miles because it's cheap and might as well. All right.